Welcome to WebSummit Qatar Doha. We are here as part of the Amazon Sellers Society team, exploring different markets and supporting e-commerce and Amazon sellers all over the world and the Middle East. But in this video, we want to introduce you to some of our favorite partners that are exhibiting inside for solutions that can support you as Amazon and e-commerce sellers. So let's go. You want to incorporate your business in the US to become an e-commerce seller on Amazon. How can Clemta.com help you? Let's meet Amir and the Clemta team.
Hi, this is Amir from Clemta. We are an all-in-one platform to start and manage your business in the US. So you don't need to go anywhere, you don't need to do anything. All you need to do is to log in to Clemta.com and start your company. There are no lawyers, no accountants, nothing is involved here. And you don't need to pay extra fees, no hidden fees. All of our pricing is there. So transparent policy we have. And that's it. Just hop on. We have multilingual support for our clients. So it doesn't matter if you don't know English. We support Arabic, Turkish, Spanish, Russian. All you need to do is just hit the get started button there. But let me tell you how Clemta helps. When you want to start an e-commerce, you need to have a legal entity. There are so many jurisdictions, so many different countries that you can start your business in, the company in. But the issue is that you should choose the right one, which you can globalize your business, because it's not just one market. If you want to expand your e-commerce business, you need to have access to different markets, right? So choosing the right country is the key. And US, considering the current environment in the world, choosing the US is much better for you. Why? Because you will have access to Stripe if you have a website, or you can create an account on US Amazon. Then you will have the address, you can verify your address, so no issues with the addresses getting verified by Amazon. And this is the key. So Clemta provides all of them. All you need to do, hit Clemta.com and get started. That's it.
One of the most annoying things when you sell clothing online are the returns. That's because customers can't really understand the sizing. Well, how about we meet Doris?
Hello, my name is Antonio de Moraes. I'm the sales manager here at Doris, and I'm very glad to receive you guys here. So we are an AI-based, generated virtual try-on where our users can try our garments on their own body, mix and matching top and bottom garments with sizing recommendations, all in the e-commerce and the physical stores. Via my LinkedIn, anybody in our team is ready to attend, whoever our partners are interested. I would like to say that I love numbers because numbers don't lie. And the conversion rates for Doris, we've been tripling them for our partners on average. The returns have been off the charts. And what to say about the greenhouse impact that has been fantastic, is fantastic for everyone. It's a win-win situation for us, for our partners, and for the planet.
And welcome to the Amazon Ads booth. Yes, Amazon Ads is exhibiting in WebSummit Doha, here to support all sellers that want to start advertising on Amazon. You'll meet a lot of great people right here in the booth that are, here to promote Amazon, all of Amazon's marketplaces, but definitely focused on the Middle East, UAE, and KSA. So Amazon is one of the most productive platforms, or I would say the smartest platform to advertise on, because quite simply, Amazon ads are integrated into the Amazon platform, which basically means the conversion rate is normally very high for whatever ad spend you would be spending. And the reason for that is because ads are very technically focused on the right customer, since Amazon is a search engine-based platform. So, yes, it's true, ads are very important for you to succeed on Amazon, but they are also a secret weapon for sellers that want to succeed. A homegrown company that supports sellers that want to sell cross-border. Look, one of the main questions that I get a lot when anyone wants to sell on Amazon is whether they should be using FBA or they should be using FBM. And FBM can sometimes be a little bit difficult because of all of the things required in order to do the fulfillment. Enter Otto. Let's try Otto together.
I am the head of marketing here at Otto. Otto is an all-in-one shipping management software, which basically is briefly a holistic multi-carrier shipping management solution. What we do is we provide retailers of all sizes a platform to ship, manage, track, return, and analyze all your online orders in one. So all you have to do is simply integrate your sales channel. You can even use it as an individual or a social seller and have all your orders automatically synced in one platform, access over 200 regional and international shipping carriers, and that's it. Enjoy the pre-negotiated and discounted rates. And the other modules that we have, whether it's order management, warehouse management, return, last mile, driver management, and the shipping aggregator. We are a fully remote company, and we are registered in Saudi, UAE, and Turkey for now. But we work from all over the world, and we operate for the region, from the region to abroad, the globe. You can find us on tryoto.com. So that's www.tryoto.com.
E-commerce super app. That is exactly what Shopiverse is. Look, if you're starting out on Amazon, you might not need something like Shopiverse. But once you start thinking about selling cross-border, across multiple borders and across multiple marketplaces, then Shopiverse is a very important tool for you to use. Let's meet Orhan and the Shopiverse team.
Hello, I am Orhan. I'm from Shopiverse, and Shopiverse simplifying cross-border e-commerce by connecting the entire process into a single user-friendly dashboard, turning complexity into efficiency by its innovative solution.
So, Orhan, who is the right person to use Shopiverse? And the next question is, what is the difference between cross-border e-commerce and just standard e-commerce?
Especially retailers, e-com sellers, brands, wholesalers, e-com suppliers, mega merchants needs Shopiverse while going especially on cross-border e-commerce. While you are trying to sell in only e-commerce, to make e-commerce, it means especially local market. To make e-commerce in locally, it's very easier according to comparing with cross-border e-commerce. But on cross-border e-commerce, you need to manage all complexity on cross-border services. For instance, shipment, fulfillment centers, tax, custom duties, and human behaviors, contents, different languages, different processes. It's very hard to manage all in one page. Therefore, Shopiverse solves all that problem in that case, that companies can easily manage their all cross-border e-commerce process from just single user-friendly dashboard.
So instead of having a team of experts work for you, you can get one person or maybe even do it yourself at a certain point and then use smart tools like Shopiverse.
Yeah, exactly. First, you need to get all data from API, from XML, from Excel. It depends on you. You can get data to the Shopiverse, and from Shopiverse, you can list your products in different sales channels like Amazon, Wayfair, Walmart, and etc. And then you put your products in fulfillment centers, which is placed more than 20 countries in all over the world. And as you get the orders, your orders supplying directly from that fulfillment centers. And you can just sit and follow from Shopiverse panel that how many you already sold and which products are finishing and which products you are needing to supply them.
I want you to inspire everyone and I want you to tell them the amount of revenue and sales that Shopiverse users currently are generating.
Yeah, of course. Actually, we have approximately more than 200 companies already started using Shopiverse, and 15% of them are enterprise companies, and they are making more than 50 million euro in a year, and it's great amounts on e-commerce, especially on global e-commerce, on cross-border e-commerce. We just started new, and we are going very fast. It's very growing very fast.
If you want to try Shopiverse, all you need to do is to go to shopiverse.com, and that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
We know in the Arabic region, a lot of shoppers use Arabic. A lot of users prefer to use Arabic as well. Come in the solution called Wuilt. Wilt currently supports sellers to create their website within just 5 minutes. Not only that, they currently have over 500,000 users in more than 160 countries. What are the things that make Wilt different if you are an e-commerce seller or if you just want to create a standalone website? Let's find out.
أنا عبد الرحمن مصطفى بكلمكم من ويلت. ويلت هي منصة عربية 100%. تقدر من خلالها تبني الموقع الإلكتروني أو المتجر الإلكتروني الخاص بيك في خطوات سهلة جدا وبسيطة. مش هتاخد وقت خالص، حوالي تاخد 5 دقايق منك. كمان انت مجرد ما بتعمل ساين اب على البلاتفورم احنا بنخش وبنكلمك عشان نساعدك، وفي نفس الوقت نوجهك للافضل، وفي نفس الوقت نشرح لك ازاي الطريقه اللي تدير بيها الموقع او المتجر بتاعك عشان تقدر تطلع احسن نتائج. احنا بقالنا 5 سنين في الماركت، موجودين في حوالي 160 بلد. معظم العملاء بتوعنا هم عرب. بنحاول على قد ما نقدر ان احنا نلبي احتياجاتهم كلهم من ناحيه التوصيل كشيبنج او لوجيستكس، بالنسبه لطرق الدفع اللي موجوده بالنسبه لنا كوطن عربي. خلال ال5 سنين طبعا عرفنا نكبر الكاستمر بيس بتاعتنا. ليه؟ عشان احنا بنبقى حريصين جدا خلال فتره السبسكريبشن او الاشتراك بتاعت العميل ان احنا نساعده بشكل كافي جدا، عشان طبعا هو لو طلع نتائج كويسه هيفضل مكمل معانا، وفي نفس الوقت هيرشح ويلت لأصدقائه أو ناس في دايرته في الإيكو سيستم وهكذا.
This is my quick wrap-up video. It was an incredible event. We had so much fun meeting you guys, a lot of people from Doha here and a lot of people coming internationally and meeting so many great partners. You'll find all of the information of the partners that we have featured in this video linked in the description box of this video. Make sure that you subscribe, like this video, follow us, and I'll see you soon.